What's going on YouTube? Tony here, back again with another video for you guys. Horrible news today, man. I mean, my credit card got charged and everything, and come to find out, my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 256 gigabytes is canceled. You can see there the date that I did order it. I don't know what's going on. I was trading in an iPhone SE first generation for $124 that I had laying around. And I don't know if that had anything to do with it, but you can see there they charged me $1,083.91. You can see my name right there. And yeah, man, I'm disappointed, man. I don't know what's going on. I did check my credit card, my Samsung credit card, and it was billed. So I have to call them tomorrow, see what's going on with that. They canceled my order, so they shouldn't be billing me anything. But yeah, man, this sucks, man. I don't know what's going on. It got canceled. It wasn't due for like, what, 4 to 5 weeks? So, because I got the blue color one. So I'm not sure why they even canceled it. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna try to contact them tomorrow. I know I did check, like I said, my Samsung credit card, it was billed, so I'm gonna have to. This is the worst part about Samsung, is their customer service. Now I gotta spend maybe an hour or so talking to customer support to find out what's going on. And I've been through this before with Samsung. I had ordered, I forget what device it was, but I know it was a Note device, and the return process was horrible. This was, I think it was like the Note 8 or the Note 8 maybe? Note 7, I can't remember what it was. One of those. And the speaker had actually, the microphone had went out on it. I made videos on it. You guys could search it up on my YouTube channel, but I made videos on it. I'll probably link it up on the corner over here, that particular video where I had issues with Samsung customer service, man. It was horrible. So I guess I'm gonna have to go through this crap again. Anyways, this sucks, man. I may have to go with another option. Hopefully I can go into Best Buy and pick up at least the black one. I really wanted the blue one. Samsung just played me. And I don't even know, I'm kind of disappointed right now. But anyways, hope everyone else is doing better. Hope everyone else does get their device. I know I saw Ace Lucero's video where his just got pushed back. His delivery date got pushed back even further. There's people getting their devices canceled and pushed back to April. So that sucks. I don't know what's going on with that. It's kind of, Samsung's taking a big L on this one. But yeah, I just thought I'd share. I'll catch you guys in another video, man. Disappointed, but we out.